Corey James at Bayou Advanced Weapon Systems, and today is April 6th, 2019. Just wanted to show you our continued development of the 338-340 load development. And for those of you that don't know what the 338-340 is, well, it's simply a modified 340 Weatherby Magnum. Now, when I say modified, it is a true Wildcat because we did modify the case shoulder only slightly. We took out the double radius, which is common with the Weatherby calibers. So we re-radiused the shoulder by actually fire forming these cases in our custom reamer and die set. So these actually will hold considerably more powder, believe it or not, with just that slight removal of the double radius shoulder. Now, today we are loading 6 rounds for testing. Our goal is to hit a velocity mark that we were oh so close to during our last testing. Now, for the people that seem to know ballistics, well, if you want to guess, I'm going to post the loadings, and I'm also going to show you the data right out of the reloading book. And what I'd like you to do is see if you can guess where the velocity is going to end up. Now, I'm also going to tell you something else. The loading data considers the factory rifles, both in the 340 and 338 Lapua, as having 26-inch barrels. We have a slight advantage. Our barrel on our 338-340 is 27.25 inches in total length. That does not include the muzzle brake. Okay, we are shooting 338 caliber, Barnes 250 grain LRX. We loaded our first batch of 3 with, first of all, 87.6 grains of RL22, 87.9, and 88 grains, respectively. Now, again, that's a 250 grain Barnes LRX. If you look at the load data, the maximum for RL22 is 83.0 with a velocity of 28.29. Now, we exceeded that by 125 feet per second during our last test using 82.6 grains. And like I had said, respectively, we bumped this up quite a bit in powder because we did not note any pressure signs, no flattened primers, no bulging on the cases, no shoulder or neck issues. Simply no pressure signs or dangers. Plus, we were running a cartridge overall length that was considerably down from 3.700 inches. Actually, the total case overall length with the projectile was 3.6870. So now I'm going to load another 3 rounds, and we will begin that with IMR 7828. And if you note in the book, IMR 7828 has a maximum charge of 86. Well, we're starting, again, considerably higher because we found in our testing 86 grains got us a velocity near 3,000 feet per second. The book lists 2818. Again, I have an advantage in the barrel length of 27.25 inches, so that probably did contribute for a velocity increase, but also I was running a max charge of 87 grains of IMR 7828. So that was the absolute maximum charge, and that's a charge we're going to move to during our testing and bump it up about 0.2 and 0.4 grains respectively during our testing. So we're using IMR, we're using RL22 that I put away for safety's sake, and we're using Federal Gold Match GM215 large rifle magnum primers in our testing. Now, for those of you that are poo-pooing my old school measurement, well, that's what I do when I do load development. Now, as a cross-reference, I do digitally measure everything that we do, especially when we load and batch. But again, this is load development only, and so I prefer to go extremely old school when I'm doing very detailed load development, especially for a Wildcat cartridge. So stay tuned. I will post with this video the data minus the velocity, and if anybody would like to take a guess, go ahead and tell me what the velocity is going to be. What you think it's going to be. What do you think it's going to run out to? And again, here's the anticipated data right here using IMR 7828 and RL22. Well, there's the velocities. We're targeting maximum on both. And again, our goal is a little over 3,000 feet per second for this particular round. Thank you again for tuning in, and we will get back with you after our development continues. Visit us on the web, BayouAdvancedWeaponSystems.com, or you can simply go to Google and type in Bayou Advanced Weapons or CBJ Precision Rifles, CBJ Precision Engineered Rifles, and give us a look. We build everything from wild to mild and everything in between. Give us a look. You won't be unhappy with what you see, especially if you love load development and Wildcats and some pretty badass .338 and .378 caliber shoulder-fired weapons on planet Earth. We build some of the fastest out there and definitely the most accurate. Give us a look. Have a great day.